Today, we are taking a trip to the beautiful gardens of Europe to meet the vibrant European goldfinch, the jewel of the skies. These charming songbirds are full of fascinating facts that will leave you in awe. So, grab your binoculars and let's embark on a delightful avian adventure to explore 20 incredible facts about the European goldfinch. Fact number 1. Meet the European goldfinch, scientifically known as Cardulus cardulis. They're widespread across Europe and parts of Asia and North Africa. Fact number 2. Prepare to be dazzled. European goldfinches sport vibrant red, yellow, and black plumage that makes them a living work of art. Fact number 3. They're party animals. European goldfinches are highly social birds, often seen in flocks, chirping and chattering away. Fact number 4. Songsters of the skies. European goldfinches are talented singers, with a sweet and melodious song that fills the air with joy. Fact number 5. Aerial acrobats. European goldfinches have a delightful undulating flight pattern that sets them apart from other songbirds. Fact number 6. Foodies at heart. European goldfinches have a varied diet that includes seeds, buds, insects, and nectar from flowers. Fact number 7. They have a thing for thistles. European goldfinches have a special fondness for thistle seeds, earning them the nickname thistlefinch. Fact number 8. Eyesight on point. European goldfinches have exceptional vision, allowing them to spot tiny seeds from great distances. Fact number 9. Love is in the air. During courtship, male European goldfinches show off their moves with elaborate displays to impress potential mates. Fact number 10. They're home decorators. European goldfinches construct intricate cup-shaped nests with finesse and care. Fact number 11. Family first. European goldfinches are devoted parents, sharing responsibilities in caring for their young. Fact number 12. Seasonal travelers. Some European goldfinches undertake migratory journeys, flying to warmer regions during the winter. Fact number 13. Smart cookies. European goldfinches demonstrate problem-solving skills and adaptability in their environment. Fact number 14. Playtime. European goldfinches engage in playful activities like acrobatic flights and games with their flockmates. Fact number 15. They're picky about their palate. European goldfinches have a strong preference for brightly colored feathers in their mates. Fact number 16. They have inspired artists and poets. European goldfinches have been featured in many works of art and literature throughout history. Fact number 17. City slickers. European goldfinches are adaptable and can thrive in urban gardens and parks. Fact number 18. Ears open. European goldfinches have excellent hearing, helping them detect potential dangers or rivals. Fact number 19. Keep your distance. European goldfinches are protective of their territory, especially during nesting season. Fact number 20. A call for conservation. European goldfinches, like many other bird species, benefit from habitat conservation and protection. And there you have it, fellow bird lovers, 20 incredible facts about the European goldfinch. These delightful songbirds have won our hearts with their colorful plumage, sweet melodies, and captivating behavior. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of these enchanting creatures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on the wildest birds out there. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies and keep exploring, my peeps.